I love you now. Big back TV top here now, man. Can't tap your down and laugh. Big up yourself now, man.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself, you know the style, look. Yeah, man, so I will on deck with the latest mix up and mix down. So subscribe if for your first time over here. So okay, guys, so by now we're supposed to see my previous video before this one, right? Yes, Sandacon shell off one whole of bread with, I don't even know how much bully beef, couple bully beef, well, and one of them big liter drinks there. It go hard still, you see me? And see him reap him reward ya. Like this him would have work for.
Big up, lava chat and laughing, man. Worldwide, no people, man. Tell lava thanks to me, no, man. Can't tell him thanks, no, man. I don't know any art I love now. Big back TV top here, no, man. Can't tell down and laugh. Big up yourself, no, man.
Yeah, people, art I love the dog say. Anyways, up next, we are going to talk about the girl Wasp and Ivany. You see me? So, Ivany and I been in, let's say this drama. They were in a feud between them one another. Them was friends also. But the thing is, Wasp is not the type like Ivany were brawling on the media, but this was Wasp's words to her.
Yeah. I'm not do the chatting with scrupulous people. People lower than my standard. Why would I want to do that? Back and forth. No matter if them even say the world of things, I'm upset. I would have never come back live. I just know situation. That when I see people, I say just tell me everything you said on the live. I say no. You see me? Just talk now. Nobody said nothing on the internet because I never answer. You see me? And I'm actually want to tell my answer. I get so mad. That's the only thing needed for me to cry, and God knows somebody done did it for the upfront approach. But see them, I just say bomba, I just waste my time. I go live, I get ignorant, I get upset, I nearly cry, I come off of the live, my steam, I couldn't sleep. I just want to know right now people location for circling me. I said, it don't make no sense. It actually don't make a sense. Take out in the anger upon people. Don't take it up on fake page. Don't text people. Don't in no argument, no drama with people on Instagram. Like Instagram bill and break people. You see me? So I really answer people on Instagram and I say, you know, so what's another type thing? Me another type thing. Might not be the best person, but remember, I'm better than no for what try argue with me. I'm in a better position, like totally, like more than 100%, like 1,000%. So when my sister me argue me, I say, but my standard keep on a low, and people think say, oh my God, I'm in the same level. I'm up on the same level of people who try to argue with me and I call me name. Actually on the same level, so like me don't want to do that, guys. Me don't want to do that. That's not me. I almost see me go on like that's not me. Me will see and do things. That's not me. I don't in the drama aspect. Girl, call me name and call it, man. More you call it, come to say you keep trending. Call it. I like when I call it, I want something bad. Call it no. Call it every minute. Just ring it out now. I like it, you know? I love it. The promotion nice and so. I love it. You know? I love it. I love it. Come on, page, come I can promote business more. I love it. Just continue. Find everything for say. Come on, man. Dig up, man. Dig up. I want to go so. Just say it, man, and just call me name. I love it. I love the free promo. I love the free promo. You know, I'm not answer. I'm not back and forth for sure. Say, oh, may I do this for the media? No, may I get the promo free of cost. And an active follower as them. So girl, just promote our business with that. So you think you're beefing with me? Me not beef with you. Help me, you see me? Yeah, you're just helping my followers. So I don't beef with no one at all. Nobody can ever get me. Come on Instagram, come beef. Say anything about me, anything about my man, anything about anybody around me. You can just say it. But if you're made for beef, we won't beef on the net. You know where my story is. So for anyone who feel like they want to beef with me, I'm not calling a name. I'm not suggest. I'm not saying nobody in particular. But any single one who claims that me and them have something and them a beef with me, my shop is at Clock Tower Plaza, upstairs Eyeglass Factory. That's in Halfway 3, Kingston, Jamaica. I'm there every day I pass through. So, if you beef with me, you can come by. We can beef. But I won't beef on the media, alright? So you can come by, we can deal with it. Oh, for deal with it. Instead of deal with it, but through typing. That don't get me aggravated, you see me? So yeah guys, what me I say, I'm not depend on the media thing, the back and forth and this and that and that. My standard is only lowering and then me no one got to take back my blessing. So my fresh, I'm nice, I'm so. Yeah, no matter what them say, what me not have, what me not have, I'm happy. I'm alright, I'm a relationship, but the match up, it never will work. So saying this to say that, coming on here, not talk to nobody, not talk about nobody, or just to tell them no own angle situation when people feel like them out to them. Tell them on the location, man, one of them. Say, come and go deal with it, this so. But don't call my name, or call my name because I like the promo, but don't feel like you're addressing me for me to answer you. Because I'm bigger than that. I'm a woman. Now I'm a woman. 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 Alright guys? So back into this now. Just saying this to say that one time people feel like they might be for the no, just block it out. Block out negativity. We have to learn how to do that now because if we not go say, oh, on a professional and you're such a woman and then as somebody says something about you know, not gonna answer and they're all over the place, people have some bitch and some Instagram drunk girl. No man, not make people do that. I mean, that's how, you know, so one nice girl and she have assets and she have her business and she does humble and she's in her own lane and but if you fuck with her, she'll fuck you up. This way thing. Alright. What's talk? She talking. Oi. Could that be? Party.
A mad thing, man, peeps. If you don't make it at the end of the video, you know how that go. Here's me. Big up on yourself, bless up YouTube, and all who tune in out.